Welcome to this tutorial. Let me show you how you can change Itel A04 LCD, that A632L, or any other Itel Android. So I've removed the screen. I'm using this to clean off the gum by the edge, and also to clean off clean up any remaining glass, because if you try to fix the screen when there is a glass on the edge, you can break the screen. Learn that one today, so you have to clean it up. For this air filter, you have to drop some screen gum so that you can hold the air filter. We need to drop some gum, screen gum or touchpad gum. Don't use strong gum in any part of the phone, because it can damage something that you never expect. So I have to fix it. Okay, make sure it enters the hole very well. So let me apply the screen gum on the edge. This phone is Itel A70, sorry, not A04. This Itel A70. Take note of that. It might look easy when another person is doing it, but if you want to do your own now, maybe your hand will be shaking. You'll be scared. Just kidding, so don't be scared. Make sure you don't block the sensor with gum. There's another mistake some technicians used to do. Don't block the sensor with gum. Don't block the sensor with gum. And make sure the screen is covered very well at the bottom panel with set tape, otherwise you have to add another one. So let's fix the screen. Gradually, don't press it much pressure, otherwise you break the screen. And if you do, you got to pay for it. You can see how I am closing it gradually. So the next thing, let's clip the screen to the panel. You have to be careful too, because if you press this thing much, the screen might crack or you might damage the clip. Then let's clip the charging flex clip. Then the next thing is to insert our battery. Have to clip our battery. You have to be careful so in order not to damage either the battery clip or the socket and the board. Otherwise, got to pay the price. This is a new battery, so I'm trying to set it so that it can enter the hole. Don't do this in a hurry. Please take your time to make sure you get it right. So let's power the phone. Good. So we're good to go. So we have successfully installed our screen, apply the gum, put the filter, clip it to the board, clip the charging flex, and also install the new battery. And you can see we're good to go. So that's how you can fix a new screen of Itel A70 or any other Android. Thank you as we continue. Bye for now.